Tabuan, for your information, is a term, Visayan word that is being used for this program. It is a satellite program of that Tabuan held last February 11 to 12, 10 to 12 in Davao City at Mandaya Hotel. This Tabuan was conceived, as I said, by that Committee on Literary Arts, and this is, as I said, a satellite project of Tabuan. It is for a clearer understanding of the word Tabuan. It means marketplace. It is a place where ideas, experiences, philosophies, styles of writings are being shared by writers. This Tabuan was organized in 2009. That was the first Tabuan. It was held in Quezon City at Diliman, UP Diliman. The second Tabuan was held in Cebu City. And the third, it's now in its third year, was the one I told you a while ago, which was held in Davao City at Mandaya Hotel. There are satellite projects, as I said, and this is one. In Luzon, there are